got your dime. Well, you got your diamond and your pretty clothes. The chauffeur drives your car. You let everybody know. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Your mother, she's an heiress, owns the block in St. John's Wood. Your father be there with her if he only could. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. Got some diamonds, you will have some others. You better watch your step, girl, or start living with your mother. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire.